And we're back to learning Inkscape, and this time I'm going to show you how to create a split color logo. Don't get confused here, it's a little bit complex. Pause the video whenever necessary. We'll create a rectangle first, hold Ctrl when you drag it. Click on it again, and then you can rotate it, hold Ctrl when you do. I press Ctrl D to create a copy. We'll give that a different color and a side up, holding Ctrl and Shift. I put it to the bottom right here, and you can see the snapping works. I've got it enabled right here, and later on we need the snapping for the rotation center, so activate that as well. Ctrl D to copy again, and this is what we need. So there's this big red one in the background, and I'll make it white. You can use any color combination obviously that you need. Now create some text with the type tool. Let me pick a font that everyone has. I'll just use Arial and I'll make it bold. I'll apply it. Let me give that a red color for now. Ctrl R if you can't see your rulers. If you can drag this guide out of there to the center position. It should snap. And then reposition the text. It should snap as well. When we resize it, hold Shift and Ctrl. So this is our starting point. And now we want to turn this text into a path. Right now you can see at the bottom it's just a text. Down here, make sure it's selected, then go to path and then object to path. Now it's a group. Let us ungroup it, pressing Shift Ctrl G. It's all selected, so all letters, then go to path and combine, and now we've got the path that we need. Copy it 2 times, so we've got 3 texts on top of one another. The first one is selected, I'll hold Shift and click on the left, rectangle, then path and division. Do the same for the right hand side. So click on the text, hold Shift, click on the rectangle, then path and division. So this is what we've got. Select the text in the center and put it to the bottom in the hierarchy. This is where you might get lost, so be careful. As I've said, pause the video if necessary. There's this white rectangle in the background. Maybe I'll create a new background for you so that you can see everything properly. Let me just do this. You don't have to do this as well. It's just to show you what we've got. So here's our white rectangle. It's still there. And then there's the text. And what we now do is we'll select this black rectangle on the left, put it to the bottom, and then we can select these letters on the left hand side, and we'll give them a white color. Then select the white background and put it to the bottom. Let me delete the red one, and you can see the first side is already finished. Second side, select the rectangle, put it to the bottom. Select the letters, make them white. And then select the white rectangle in the background and put it to the bottom. And this is exactly what we needed. Once again, it might be a little bit confusing if you do that for the first time. So always pause the video and try to get the hierarchy right. But this is the process that you can use to create this split color logo in Inkscape. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.